hello guys welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we'll be looking at the best trading app that you can earn money from as a student. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this channel, do well to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So as a student, or as a beginner, or as an advanced user, or as an advanced crypto trader, you can also benefit from this as well. So the only reason I refer this app as a very simple app that you can use to make money is this. First thing first, you can come to this very app to look for earnings. Okay, you can come to this app to look for earnings. You can come to this app to look for launch pool. Okay, exchange listing, launch pool. So let me just talk about these two. Exchange listing gives you an opportunity or an insight whenever any exchange wants to list a coin. It will be displayed here. Okay, and once it's displayed here, you can use that opportunity to make your trade. Okay, how do you make your trade? Let me show you. So how do you take advantage of this? All you just need to do is to come to the earning here. After going to the earning, you're going to click on exchange listing. Listen very carefully so that you can see how this place becomes important and how this place can grow your income. You're going to look at any coin that Binance is about listing or Bybit is about listing. If Bybit is about listing and it's already existing in BingX, Bidget, and Bitmart, then all you just need to do is to go to this app, those Bitmarts or those Bidgets, and go and buy that coin awaiting Binance or Bybit listing. Okay, any coin that's already listed in other exchanges like Bidget, BingX, Bitmart, and the others. If it's about listed on Binance, you just go to those exchanges and buy them. You know why? Because it's going to pump. That's one of the major reasons I said this app will pay you, or will be able to earn you money, or will be the best trading app. Okay? The only reason is that you are not trading here. But this app, believe me, it will help you a lot if you follow this strategy. So now let's come down here. Now let's assume you see Binance. Binance was going to launch NEO, which is Nillion. It was going to launch NEO. Here's Binance. It was going to launch NEO on the 24th of this month. And it was listed already. So let's assume that you came to this place and you see this NEO. You can see how it is. And you saw this NEO. All you just need to do is to go look for it on Binance, on Bybit or Bidget. Okay, so if you look for it on Bybit or Bidget, then you can come back to this place to buy. You can go there to buy. If you look for it on Bidget or Bitmart and the others, if you see the coin, all you just need to do is to invest on it because it's going to take a good movement. Okay, you can see where it was. It took a very high movement. You can just come to this place and sell before it returns down. All right. It moves as high as up to 0.8873. You can see here. Okay, this is one of the major advantage of it. So you can keep following this strategy. Each time Binance want to list something, come to this place, check for it. After seeing it, then you can go straight to any other exchange of your choice that has already listed this coin. then you can buy there and keep making your money. And don't forget, the moment you buy it there and it rolls up, sell it and take your profit. So the second place you need to go is the launch pool. Okay, in this launch pool, do you know why you need to come to this place? Because if you come to this place, you're going to see a lot of coins that are available on launch pool on Binance, or that are available on launch pool on Bybit. Then you can just go into that place and participate. And when the launch pool is over, you redeem your money with profit. Okay, you redeem your money with what? With profit. You can see Nillion was on the launch pool first before listed, but it was completed now. Okay, it was in the launch pool for like 3 days, on the 21st here to 24th, which was yesterday, and it was listed. Okay, it was listed on BingX on the March 14. Okay, you can farm it there, and the farming period was just 4 days. That is, it started on the March 14, and it was listed on the what? On the 18th. Because from 14 plus 4 days, that is 18 already. Okay, you can also look at budget. It was listed on budget on roughly on the 11th, and it was purely farmed there, and a lot of people made their profit from it. Okay, as I said earlier, the only this thing here is that you cannot trade here. Here are rooms for information. This is where you come for your research. After you do your research here, then you can go to the exchange of your choice, or the exchange that shows that there is farming there is this particular coin in the pre-listing market there, or on the launch pool there. Then you can just go to the launch pool and farm your coin. So after farming it, you can get it back, and also including your profit. You can see layer was there as well. IP was on budget, and it was like successfully farmed. You can see LTP was on Trust Wallet, and it was successfully farmed. The bio was there, and a lot more of them. Okay, so as I said earlier, all you just need to do is to make use of exchange here. After the exchange, you also make use of the what? The launch pool. Okay, because with these two places, you stand to make a lot for yourself. All you just need to do is to be vigilant, make your research carefully, and dive into it when it's necessary. Okay, so I think this brings me to the end of this very amazing class. If you do have any questions, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections, and I'll attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next class. Bye.